Hello, today we'll see room tag in Revit. Okay, so I have taken a project with a preloaded project template. So here I'm going to show you how I did. So go to new and select any template. So here what will happen, all the 2D families will be loaded here. So whatever room tag, if I give the tags, and it will come automatically. In case if you don't have room tag, then it will pop up a window to load family. So I'm going to explain you all of those issues and how to solve in the video, so please continue watch till the end. Okay, I am in level 1. To place a room I need 4 walls. Even without a wall we can place room. For example, we have a floor plan like this, and so we have some floor also. So let's say our floor starts from here and till here we are having, so this is our building area. Let's say this is our built up area and we have a room here. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to place room. So go to architecture, in the room and area select room. So here you can see upper limit level 1. I am in level 1, so here you can see upper limit level 1 offset 4 meter and horizontal. So room means it is horizontal. Even you can give a vertical room also. Okay, and model also there. Okay, so room going to be new room, and the name here you can see in the property bar, it's a new room. So here you can see all the base finish, ceiling finish, all the parameters are there. So I am just going to give room. So when I give room, you can see this is automatically taking the wall boundary. Okay, so when I'm just placing the room, here you can see, so here you can see this is your room, and if I select the text you can see this is your room tag. So when you place, room also will come and room tag also going to come. In case if you delete the room tag, the room is always there and only the room tag deleted. Okay, so I'm going to undo. In case if I delete the room, then both of them will get deleted. I'm going to do undo. Okay, so in case if you got deleted by mistake, or you are going to create a new floor plan, then for example I'm going to level duplicate view. I'm just going to duplicate. If you give duplicate with detailing, then the room will get copied. If you just give duplicate, then the room tag won't be get copied, but the room will be there because it's a 3D space. Okay, so I'm going to level 1. So here you should understand that a room is not just a 2D text. So with room we can calculate a lot of things. We can schedule, we can prepare a room material finish, so a lot of things we can do. So in case, so when you're placing a room, if you don't get this tag, then what you have to do, so I can explain you a little better. What I'm going to do, I'm going to delete all the room tags here. Here there is a room tag. I'm going to right click and let's delete, and I'm going to delete. I don't have room tag in this project now. So now if I go to architecture and if I take a room, here what it is saying, no room tag family is loaded in this project. Would you like to load one now? So in case if you're getting this error message, then say yes. So this will go to Autodesk library. So program data, Autodesk, Revit, library, English, US, and go inside. Here you have to select room tag. So go to annotations. Here you can select room tag. Sections, levels, view tag, level tag, grid. Go to architectural. So we don't have anything here. So here you can see a room tag. Select and open. So now the family got loaded. So here you can come and load. So you can just place wherever you need. So to understand room better, I'm going to show you in 3D. Okay, and I'm going to give WT or go to view, tile views, zoom all and select room. So here the room is not visible. Let's go to VV annotation, make all visible. When I'm selecting the room, here this is visible. Even in 3D also it is supposed to be visible. So to show you an elevation, let's take a section. Go to right click, go to view. So here you can see even in plan the room is covering the area, in elevation it is covering the height. So as a result, from the room, in case if you are seeing the property bar, you can see it is covering the area, perimeter and height. So from the height you can get volume. So you have to choose volume also. So for that, go to architecture, room and area computation, select area computation, take area and volume and say OK. So if you select room again, this will show volume also. Okay, so room actually a 3D space. You can tag in plan and you can tag in elevation section also. Okay, and I'm going to level 1. This is our level 1. So I'm going to keep this as our main window. Okay, let's keep this here. Go to view, tab views. Okay, so here we have a room. To mention room name, this is your room name. Select, say area 1. So this is how you can rename. Area 2. And then you can give a number also, 1, 2. In case if you don't want a number, you can select the room tag and you can say, so here we don't have that option, so we need to create one more type. To hide this number, so select the tag and go to edit family and say this is your number. Okay, so let's keep everything visible first. Select, keep this readable. We have a visibility parameter, show room number. Okay, close. No, I'm not editing anything here. I'm just going to select the room tag, go to edit type, go to duplicate, room tag. So let's say room name tag, and room number I'm going to uncheck here and I'm going to say OK. Here you can see if I select the tag and if I'm selecting room name tag, only the name is visible. So So you can change, so whichever the type you want, with area, with volume, so any type you can select. So with the room tag you can do a lot of things. So what you can do, you can give a color scheme and you can schedule. So in this video we are going to cover only the color scheme and the schedule. We can do a lot of things, we'll see that in the upcoming video. So for now what am I going to do, I'm going to architecture again. Here you can see color scheme, select color scheme and select. So this is where the category, name and department, I'm going to select name. So these are our settings. So in case if you want to change anything here, you can change, you can do trial and error. For now I'm just going to say okay. So I'm going to annotate. So here I'm going to select color fill legend. Okay, here you can see the plan and legend. So I'm going to place wherever I need. So here I'm going to say space type room and color scheme by name. Okay, and I'm going to say okay. Here you can see with respect to name the color is varying, with the shade it is varying. So I'm going to say create similar. So I'm typing yes to get this comment. Otherwise you have to select the tag and go to here in the modify. Here you can see create similar, just select. So you will get to whatever you have selected. For example, I'm selecting a wall and I'm saying create similar, then wall comment will get activated. The same way whichever elements you are selecting, so it will create the same. And here I'm going to edit as area 3. So here you can see area 3. So you will get a legend. So what we will get in the final drawing, so we'll get the plan and a legend. So with the name you can explain room. Here I want to teach one more important thing. For example, so whatever you are keeping it inside the wall, so there is no issue. If you are coming in outside, if you are keeping it, then it is going to say not enclosed. That means the space is open. To close this area, so what you have to do, you can place wherever you want. Okay, so I'm getting an error message. Okay, so you can place wherever you want, and then finally go to architecture and say room separation and draw boundary line. Now you can select the room actually with the boundary. Okay, so for example, I'm having a bigger room here, I want to separate this room. For that what I can do, go to room separation and then draw one line. So here what is happening, so now the room got separated. So here you can mention another room, go to room and you can place here. So here you don't have anything. Okay, so I'm just going to place room. So this is not enclosed. I'm getting an error, room is not properly enclosed region. Okay, that's okay. I'm going to architecture, take a room separator and then draw a line to mention the boundary. This room supposed to be closed. In case if I keep a little bit open, it is going to say not closed. So I'm going to select and close again. This is how it works. Okay, so a room actually helping you to mention the space. Okay, and so when you're having the plan, you can have a room legend. And one more benefit from room what we are getting, we can schedule room. Go to view, and in the schedule you can select schedule and quantity and select room. I'm selecting room. So here I'm selecting schedule building components. With the schedule keys you can add more parameters. So I'm just going to select the first one and I'm going to say OK. So here in the schedule you can select room name and room area and the base finish or floor finish, and then wall finish, ceiling finish. You can add more parameter in case if you need. So we are going to see how to add parameter in the upcoming videos. For now we are going to limit this video with the available options. So I have the room schedule. So here I can say ground floor room details, and here I can type what is the room area and how much is it. Floor finish I can say tile finish. Wall finish, let's say whitewash. Ceiling finish, no ceiling. So this is how you can take a schedule, and when you are creating a sheet, I am just creating a new sheet. Let's just take a sheet and you can place level 1. Okay, and then I'm just going to show you. Okay, for example, let's say 1:100 hide in view category. So I have the plan, so I have the room schedule. Right click and deactivate view, just place it here, and so this is your title, and just place it here. Okay, and you can add a legend also. So legend is already there. We are going to add a small table. So here in the small table, so this is explaining ground floor room detail, the name, area, finish detail and all we can fill it here. So these things we can do with the room. So here you have to understand room is not just a 2D element, so you can add more details with the room. Thank you. Bye bye.